Alright guys, it's Monday morning. I'm here at the shop. We've got a Packard engine that I was looking at on Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, I don't remember. But they're saying that there's no cylinder compression. I ran a compression test on it and confirmed there was no cylinder compression. So I took an air gun and applied air to cylinder 1 just to see if it would come out of the exhaust, the crankcase, or intake, and it was coming out of the intake. So I'm gonna take y'all in there real quick before everybody gets here to the shop and let y'all see what I'm dealing with. Alright, this here's a unit. Cylinder 1 had no compression. I didn't check the others because this one has absolutely zero. When I applied air to the cylinder, it was actually coming out here, which is your intake manifold. So I talked to the big boss and he said we're going to go ahead and pull the head on it. So we got to disassemble all the fuel system, the exhaust side over there, and get everything out of the way to get the head off. So y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the cylinder head pulled off, as you can see here. Got it over here on the table. We put raw fuel into the intake manifold and it's leaking out of every one of the intake valves. So if it won't hold back liquid, it definitely won't hold back water. So put a case into TCS, see if we can go ahead and get a new cylinder head or if they want us to replace the valves on it. So it's been fun pulling this fucking thing, but I got to get out to Weatherford, look at another customer's unit, and go from there. So y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all, I am done for the day. We got the head pulled off that unit, found every one of the intake valves leaking. Went out to Weatherford, Texas, and checked out a unit out there. It's proper fucked. I should be able to get some camera footage tomorrow if I go back out there. Engine, you start it up and it immediately shuts down. It takes like, I don't know, about 10 seconds of cranking before it actually kicks off, and then it just shuts off. You get an ABS light, traction control light, check engine light, transmission light, everything faults out. So I was checking, codes and shit just to see what it logged. Lost the transmission completely. ECM or PCI says PCI internal error, so it's probably gonna be a fun one. So y'all stay tuned. Tomorrow maybe we'll get some footage on that one. First thing I gotta do is I gotta replace that crankcase breather assembly out in Garland. Get that done and taken care of. Yeah, so probably a pretty easy day. I gotta update Packard with some information off that truck with the head. But y'all stay tuned, and if y'all like this kind of shit, y'all should hit that subscribe button. We are almost to 500 subscribers. We're at, I think it was like 438. It'd be nice to get to 500. Hell, it'd be nice to get to 1,000, but it would be really nice to get to 500. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. Hit a comment down below. Y'all have a good night.